In this video, you learn how to chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, open up your WhatsApp, then go to the top right and click on the plus. Go to New Contact. Then you have to put in the phone number of ChatGPT. So for this, you have to look up United States. There we go. Then the phone number is 800-242-8478. Then you can give it a first name and a last name. For this, I'll just put in ChatGPT. There we go. I'll sync the contact to my phone. Click on Done. And now you'll see it was added to my contacts. So from here you can click on the chat button and start a chat. And right now you can chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. So let's just ask it a question. So we'll check if it worked. What can ChatGPT do? And there we go. We got a very long answer. So what you'll see right here is that it's not saying that it's generating a question or it's writing it. You'll only get the message once it's finished. So sometimes you'll have to wait a little longer before it's done, but eventually you will get your reply. So this is how you can use ChatGPT on WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.